Hi everyone, welcome back to Skincare Sunday. Dr. L here at Vital Med Spa. Today's topic has been requested quite a bit. It is how to treat breakouts. Yes, even with the best skincare and the best treatments, we occasionally break out. And how do we get that zit to exit our skin quickly without doing any damage or harm to our skin, but yet we want it gone? So let's talk about my tips and tricks for getting breakouts to go. So the first thing I do when I get a zit is cleanse it. So I'm gonna do a spot treatment here and I cleanse the area. If I'm doing an overall facial cleanse, I'll cleanse my whole face. But if I'm just being specific about treating that zit before it's gonna wreak havoc on my skin, I'll cleanse it first. Then I'll actually do a little scrub with the dual action scrub specifically because it's got that salicylic that's gonna start breaking down those surface oils and that dirt and bacteria. Then I use a little piece of an oil control pad. I cut a little triangle and I actually go ahead and tone specifically there, almost sort of kind of drying it up with those toners. Then I apply my spot treatment. All right, so you've cleansed, scrubbed, toned, that's it. Now it's time to spot treat it. So a few options. Number one, let's say it's in the morning, you're on the go, you gotta get to work, and you gotta do something quickly to spot treat. Conceal and Correct Stick is perfect for that. It's got a little bit of color, as you can see, so it'll cover up any redness or discoloration that's starting to come from that zit making its way out of your skin. It's also got a treatment in it. So it's got salicylic, which is going to help dry up the zit. It's going to help kind of release the dead skin cells. So it'll help it bring it out to the surface and then make its way out and exit goodbye. Another option if you have an evening or a weekend. So another option if you have a little more time, or let's say it's the evening and the weekend and you don't need to cover it up, is to treat your breakout with the sulfur mask, or now called the clear complexion mask. So this product has a clay-based sulfur mask, and the sulfur will help kill surface bacteria. The clay will help dry up the breakout, and it's just gonna help it exit its way out of our skin safely without any damage. So I also use this, of course, as an all-over mask on a regular basis to prevent breakouts, to keep my pores clean. But this is also a great spot treatment as well. One more option if you're struggling with more pustular, red-based, inflammatory acne. Let's talk about that. Another spot treatment product for those that have more pustular, when I say pustular, like those really big whiteheads that have a red base, or it's really inflamed and red type breakouts, is to use the Acne Control. So Acne Control is 10% benzoyl peroxide. This is a great all over product for acne when you're struggling with a lot of inflammatory, cystic, pustular acne, but it's also a great spot treatment for that as well. You can place it on your breakout and it's going to help break up the bacteria on the surface. It's going to help dry it out, and it's going to really be astringent for this area and help release that cystic pustular lesion from the surface of your skin and make its way out. What you should not do ever is pick at your acne. Let's talk about breakouts and picking. So you guys know I'm all about not touching your face, unless you've washed your hands and you're doing your skincare, of course. When you're breaking out, it's more important than ever to not touch that area. I know it's so tempting to want to just pick at it and get it out. It can be painful and you just want to move on with your life, but please fight the temptation to pick or try to manipulate your breakout, or even just touching it. Why? Because you're most likely going to cause problems. You're going to cause scarring, inflammation from that manipulation. Inflammation can cause pigmentation or discoloration, and could possibly cause skin barrier scarring, where the skin itself is being divoted by your picking. So please avoid touching it, and you're actually could possibly cause more breakouts in that same region. So use the products, follow the protocol for spot treatment like we talked about, and I promise it's gonna make its way out and not damage your skin. All right, that's all for Skincare Sunday. I hope you learned something with me. See you guys next time.